Hello chefs, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Welcome back to Close Kitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. So guys, today we will be unboxing this Mainstays 20-inch griddle. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a griddle and what do you think of it so far. So let's see what's in the box. Then we're going to go through each part and I will tell you their function as well as how to assemble and disassemble them. So far I see 2 pieces and a brochure. This is the temperature probe and it goes all the way to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and it plugs in on the side of the griddle. I noticed that the cord to the outlet is pretty short. It also has a light indicator that lets you know when it's on. It comes with a manual which is like a passport to this griddle. It informs me of the 1-year limited warranty, safety, how to use it, cleaning and maintenance instructions. As a bonus, there is a cooking time and temperature guide for my foods. So it's saying for pancakes 2 to 3 minutes between 350 and 400 degrees. Grilled cheese 325 to 350 degrees 5 to 10 minutes. Burgers 325 to 375 8 to 12 minutes. Next we have the non-stick plate which is dishwasher-safe, but I personally would not put it in the dishwasher. I would more hand wash it because of the probe area. The plate is surrounded by a runoff channel that guides the liquid and grease to this hole. So the runoff channel drips everything into this drip tray, but it was extremely hard to pull the tray. I don't know if it's because it was new. So I finally got the tray out. So this is how you remove the tray once you're done with it. And once you're done, you just slide it back in. It's much easier now that I pulled the tray out. So the bottom can get extremely hot, so it has to be on a safe countertop or surface. Each leg has some rubber grips to prevent it from sliding. I am so excited and I can't wait to share with you guys different recipes that you can cook on this griddle. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this unboxing. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.